Now Foods, Methyl B12, 5000 mcg, 90 veg capsules. Product Overview Description. Nervous system health essential for energy production. Methylcobalamin hypoallergenic non-GMO, a dietary supplement, vegetarian, vegan vitamins, family owned since 1968, GMP quality assured. Vitamin B12 is necessary for the production of energy from fats and proteins and is well known for its critical role in DNA synthesis, as well as in homocysteine metabolism. Methylcobalamin is the coenzyme form of vitamin B12 that has been found to be especially critical in the maintenance of a healthy nervous system. Dietary sources are almost exclusively of animal origin, meat and dairy, and supplementation with B12 may be especially important for strict vegetarians. Now methyl B12 is vegetarian, vegan, non-animal derived. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule daily. Other ingredients: rice flour, microcrystalline cellulose, hyperamylose, cellulose capsule, stearic acid, vegetable source, and silicon dioxide. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.